Hello YouTube. So I had this idea for a notebook, traveller's notebook cover for my bullet journal. I got in touch with Michelle over at Uglybugplans and told her that I had a custom job for her. She was very excited by the idea and got straight to work. I based it on this mug that my son bought me for Christmas 2016, and it's Mary Poppins, and I love this mug. So I sent a little video and a lot of pictures to Michelle, and on Friday, which was yesterday, she told me it was ready and it was on its way and I would receive it Monday. But today, they've got game. So I have not opened this. As you can see, it is still sealed, and I'm going to open it in front of all of you. So I hope it's good, otherwise this isn't making it to YouTube. I'm very excited. And my son that bought me the mug is actually filming, so he hasn't seen it either. We've seen pictures. Oh, it's in a Marauders map wrapping paper. How cool is that? That is so cool. I'm a bit bummed she stuck it down because I want to keep it. That's really cool. Oh, I can't get into it. I had to rip it. Oh no. I've ripped the Marauders map. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. It smells so nice. Can you see that? That is beautiful. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, I don't know how well you can see that, but there's like decorative around the outside. Oh, that's so pretty. Isn't that stunning? Ah, oh, I've not had one of these before, so this is quite new to me. It's got the Uglybug logo there. Oh, that's really nice. It's got pen loop. Oh, that's really cool. Oh yeah, that's for that. It stops it damaging the inside, and the strings to put it in. That's really nice. It's more flexible than I was expecting. Oh wow, that's brilliant. Isn't that gorgeous? What do you think?
Love it.
Yeah, and that's sweet. That is beautiful. Michelle, thank you so much to you and Trevor. I am so pleased with that one, and it matches because it's purple. No better colour. And just so you can see a side by side. Hang on. I can't actually lift my mug up because I've just filled it up with tea. And then on the back, that is absolutely brilliant. Even got some pulls in. That's amazing. I am chuffed to bits with that. I love it. Thank you so much. I'm going to put my diary in it now. Which string should I put it in? I suppose it really matters. And I've been assured that it will fit at least one more Leuchtturm, however you say them, or scribbles that matter. And I assume it will soften the more I use it. That's really sweet. So, oh, I like that a lot. Yeah. That's so cool. There's loads of room in there. Brilliant. Really, really happy with that. Thank you, Michelle and Trevor. I will take photos and upload them onto Etsy and leave you, I can't leave you any more than 5 stars, sorry, but yeah, that's brilliant. I love it. Love it. Oh, it smells so nice. really, really pleased with that. Thank you.